So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. In 1990, a physicist named Tim Berners-Lee started working on something he called an internet-based hypertext system. Roughly a year later, Tim Berners-Lee published on the internet a document he called HTML tags. It described HTML and the original 18 HTML tags. The first official specification of HTML was HTML 2.0, created by an organization called IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force. There have been many versions of HTML since then. The latest is HTML5, released in 2014. Of the original 18 HTML tags described by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991, 11 of them are still in use today. Those tags are the title tag, the A tag for creating links, the DL tag, the DT tag, the DD tag, the base tag, the address tag, the H1 through H6 tags, although I guess you can count these as 6 individual elements or tags because they technically are all different. The UL or unordered list tag, the LI tag or list item tag, and the P or paragraph tag. All of these tags will be explained later on in the course. So I have open here in my browser 3 websites. There's the Bootstrap website, jQuery, and Node.js. And the reason I'm showing you these is because right now this is how a website looks like. By default, it looks pretty good. They're using CSS to style the website, but if you take the CSS away, which I can using this Google Chrome plugin called Web Developer, I could strip all the styles away, and what's left is just HTML. So this is what the HTML of the Bootstrap website looks like. So everything like this is what HTML looks like, with no styles and no CSS at all. So here's what the jQuery looks like. So this is a list, and these elements in the list are nested inside the list. There's drop downs, searches, search buttons, more lists, links, images, all this stuff you're going to learn how to do. And the Node.js website, which is a bit simpler. It's a kind of short website. You'd be able to create this markup in about 30 minutes, probably less. Anyways, I think of HTML as like a skeleton in a person. The skeleton is used to is like a structure of the body. And then I would think of the skin color and the hair color, the eye color, the facial features, all that stuff like as a CSS, like what something looks like. And then I would probably think of the vital organs of the body, like the brain and the heart and all that other stuff that makes your body work, as the JavaScript or PHP of a website. So all these things can come together, the HTML or the bones, and then the CSS, the styles and how it looks, and then the functionality like the JavaScript and PHP could be used to make a fully functioning website.